Good day everyone, welcome to my channel Jekan Vlogs. For today's video guys, andito po kami ngayon sa Ela Grande, Brazil. So ito po yung Ela Grande. This is Ela Grande looks like. Diyan po yung namin, nakadaong. So sumakay po kami ng maliit na bangka. So this is Ela Grande guys. Ganda. Sumakay kami dyan ng maliit na bangka papunta dito sa maliit na pantalan na kasi hindi makadaong yung barko namin. So may silang kanyon. Yan pila papunta doon sa barko namin. Yan. Ela Grande guys, Brazil. Biruin nyo yun, nakapunta ulit tayo ng ibang lugar. So taste lang, tiyaga lang. So this is Ela Grande looks like. May acoustic band din doon guys oh. So vlog tayo konti para may memories. At least once in our life guys, nakapunta tayo ng Ela Grande, Brazil. Diba? Yeah man, Ela Grande, Brazil. Shout out sa mga followers natin dyan, subscribers. Please don't forget guys to like, follow and share. Stick by. So, kumusta pala kayo dyan guys? Kumusta ang buhay? Please don't forget to like, follow, share, and comment to our channel. Pa-supportan nyo na lang din sa akin guys. Jekan Vlogs YouTube channel, Facebook, Bilibong and Jekan Vlogs. Pero mas active tayo sa main account natin which is yung Bilibong. So thank you guys, thank you. Once again, this is Ela Grande, Brazil. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and follow. Ciao.